Hi friends, welcome to Tech Tutorials in Telugu by Teja. In this channel, we are going to learn about Linux, Windows, VMware and cloud computing platforms. Please do support by subscribing. Now, let's get into today's topic.
Hi friends, in this video let us see like how to find the user SID in Active Directory using PowerShell. Let's see those commands. See, I have prepared few topics that need to be ఈ టాపిక్స్ అన్ని కూడా మనము ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసి చూద్దాము విత్ సమ్ పవర్ షెల్ కమాండ్స్. దిస్ విల్ బీ హ్యాండీ. మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఏడీ మీద ప్రొడక్షన్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్లో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు దీస్ కమాండ్స్ విల్ బీ హ్యాండీ టు ఐడెంటిఫై ద ఎస్ఐడీస్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ సెక్యూరిటీ గ్రూప్ ఆర్ ద యూజర్ డీటెయిల్స్. So let's jump into the topic quickly. See, firstly, let's see how to get a specific user SID with the PowerShell. Firstly, see, this is our lab environment I am using. You can see here, right? This is the one of the VM where I am just running in my test lab environment. I just logged into the server, our AD. This is my AD server where I have created couple of test users. Okay, and you can see a couple of OUs over here. To jump into our lab, firstly, to identify a specific user SID, what we will do, open the PowerShell, run as administrator, and you can use the command get-ADUser. You can use tab friends over here. మీరు ఇక్కడ ట్యాబ్ అనేది యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు, ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఫిల్ అవుతుంది. హైఫన్ ఐడెంటిటీ అంటే మనం ఏ యూజర్ దగ్గర ఫైండ్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాం, ఐడెంటిటీ పక్కన యూజర్ అకౌంట్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, నా దగ్గర మల్టిపుల్ యూజర్స్ ఉన్నారు కదా, నేను తేజ్ అనే యూజర్ది ఐడ్ లైక్ టు ఫైండ్ ద ఎస్ఐడి. సో ఐ విల్ గివ్ తేజ్ ఫిల్టర్ ఎస్సి సెలెక్ట్. మనం ఏం ఏం ఫైండ్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాము, నేమ్ ఒకటి, నేమ్ కామా ఎస్ఐడి, ఈ రెండు వాల్యూస్ రావాలి అనుకుంటున్నాము. ఓకే, మీరు ఎన్ని కావాలంటే అన్ని ఫిల్టర్స్ అప్లై చేయొచ్చు ఫ్రెండ్. ఎంటర్. యూ కెన్ సీ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, యూజర్ నేమ్ డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది, ఈ పర్టికులర్ యూజర్ యొక్క ఎస్ఐడి కూడా డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. See, this is one way of identifying the user SID value. Okay, the other one is the, let's go to our topic details. So this one is completed. I will give all the whatever the commands I'm running over here now, I will provide you over the description, video description. You can go through, and while you are practicing it will be handy. Okay, I'm just copying the commands from here and paste it over here. While uploading the video now, I'll just you need to rename this one. Okay, rename the username with your whatever the account you create or in your test lab environment or the production environment. See here, if you manaki already SID tells, I know the SID but I don't know the username. Okay, then you can use one command to identify the what is the username of that particular SID. Okay, for that what we can do, firstly we need to define the SID. What I will do for this, I will open a notepad. Here firstly what we will give, first of all we will define the SID value. We know one SID value here, right, for Tej user. Let me copy down the SID and paste it over here. See, this is the SID, and then we need to define a command to identify the username. So I'm just copying pasting the, what I will do now, I'll go to my server, I'll open the PowerShell ISE. You can see here PowerShell ISE. Here open the new and give the complete command over here. Here what I am doing, I know the SID value but I don't know the username. At that perspective, what we can do, we can identify the username by using this command. Just run this command. Once the command get executed now, you can find the username over here. Related to that SID now, what all the parameters present, the SAM account name, display name, what all everything present now, it will be displayed in this manner. You can see here. See, the name of the user account is Tej. In this way we can identify when we know the SID. If you want to know the username, this is the process to go with. Okay, what is the next option? So this one is completed. Right now, get all Active Directory user SID with PowerShell. See, for example, if right now here we have executed for only one account, right? If I want to know all the accounts SID names, for example, what are the users present now, I want to know all the users SID. Then how we will do? Go to the server, open the PowerShell. Here the PowerShell is already up and running, right? Here what I will do, get hyphen AD user space hyphen filter. In the filter now we don't enter any name, we give star. Star means everything. Okay, apply pipe, select SELECT, select hyphen object. What object we want to know? We want to know name, comma, SID value, right? Both the things. Click enter. See, this command will display all the user related, what all the accounts. For example, I am having all these accounts in my domain controllers. Every user account has been displayed over here and the respective SID is visible over here. This is the way to identify the user's SID, friends. For example, okay, this is the third one. This is also completed. Here, get the user SID from a specific OU. Example, I am having a OU. Okay, in that I want the SID values of the users which are present on that particular OU itself, not everywhere else, only that particular OU. Then what I will do, firstly go to the server here. See, for example, we are having multiple users in accounts, right? I want to know what all the users present on the accounts, those SID values. At that time, what we can do, firstly, know the distinguished name of this one. Go to right click properties, go to attribute editor. Here you will be having a distinguished name. Copy this distinguished name. Okay. And go to notepad, or else we can use here only. I'll do one thing. I'll just open the notepad. I'll paste over here. Along with here, what the command I need to replace is, I'll just type down the command over here, friends, because there won't be any confusion over there. Directly we can copy paste there. Okay, get hyphen ADUser hyphen filter. Filter I am applying everything, no user dependency, hyphen search base. Here what is a search base? This OU. Control V and close the string, give the pipe. And what we want only select name, comma, SID, only these two things from that particular OU. So I'll just copy the command. Let me go to the PowerShell over here and paste the command. Enter. See, in this particular OU, manaki ikkada accounts ane OU lo we are having only few users. You can see remaining all the computer accounts. One is the security group. Here only we are having only three users. One is the Shush, Prasad and Teja. Right? See, for these three users, we'll be able to identify the SID values. This is how to identify the SID values of a specific OU. Right? And then here we have completed this part. See, get computers SID in Active Directory. See, right now previously we have seen the like users we have seen, as well as the OU related we have seen, right? For example, you want to know the SID of a specific computer or all the computers in the AD. So at that time what we will do, I'm just opening the PowerShell. I'll use the command get hyphen AD computer ADComputer hyphen, what is the filter we use? We use star. We are not defining any specific range, right? That is the reason I have given star. And I will give select hyphen object. And we want what we want, name, comma, SID, these two. See, we are having only three computer objects in this. One is the GDC one domain controller, the other two are the client missions which are joined to this domain. Only three items we have. See, this is the way to identify the what all the computer's SID details in the domain controller. Okay. Okay, let's jump into the other one. See, the last one is get group SID in Active Directory. For example, I'm having multiple security groups. I want to know the SID of the security group and how to identify. Further, there is a similar command, friends. Here, just a minimal change would be there. Get hyphen AD group. Here, previously we have given AD user. Then after we have given AD computer. Now we are giving AD group. Okay, and identity. What is the identity of our group? For example, here we want to give the group name. See, this is the one of the group HR-admin. I'm going to give that group HR_admin. I want to know for this group SID. Type select. What is the string you are looking for? Select hyphen object. What object we are looking for? Name, comma, SID. These two values. Enter. See, this particular group SID is this one. This is how it get displayed, friends. And what else left? So, yeah, this is all about the, by firstly we have identified a specific user. Then on we have identified, we know the, SID value. We have identified the name of the user. Then we identified what all the listed users SIDs in the ID, and then we identified for a specific OU. Then we went on with to identify the objects SID. Then we went on with the group SID. Yeah, this is all about the video, friends. Hope this might be useful for you, and I'll be giving you all these commands what all I just we run over here on the lab environment, right? I'll just provide over the description. Please do go through the description if this might be useful during in your production environment. And before you execute anything na, these are only get command, friends. It won't get impact anything, because that get command won't impact anything. It just extract the data. Okay, there won't be any harm running these commands in the production environment. Hope this might be useful, friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.